So this is how you can go viral on TikTok. I'm gonna go ahead and open the app and teach you all the ways I know on how to go viral. The most important part is making sure that you keep up with the trends. So, how do you actually know what kind of trends there are? Well, you can simply do that by tapping on the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. And then, as you can see, there's this You May Like section. So, if you actually go ahead and read all of these, you will know that these are what's currently trending right now, especially those with the arrows going up. That is what is trending as of now. So if you want to look for trending things that you can go ahead and make videos of, simply follow this search section and then choose the arrow ones or any kind of searches and then simply tap on them to get more information. And then after that, after you receive all of the information you need, you can go on ahead and make videos about that specific topic. Now, the next one is just by simply scrolling and seeing what pops up more. For example, those dances that come up every week, like the Apple dance. You can go ahead and make a dance about that and then post it on TikTok. And I guarantee that because you're following the trend, it will gain some views and likes, and maybe even a follow. But remember, consistency is key. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.